Today we are going to see how to copy worksheet in Excel. First of all, let us create some sample text before we proceed. Open a new Excel worksheet and type any data. I already created a data. Date, region, representative, item, unit cost, total. On 1st 1/1/2019, region is East, representative Jones, item pencil, unit cost 95, unit and total is 189 rupees 5 paise. And second one date is Central region, representative Kenny, item is binder, unit is 50, unit cost 19 rupees 99 paise, total is 999 rupees 50 paise. On third day, region is West, representative Gill, item is pen, unit is 56 numbers, unit cost is 10, total cost is 560. Here are the steps to copy and enter worksheet. Step 1. Right click on sheet name and select move or copy option. Now we will see the move or copy dialog with select worksheet options as selected from the general tab. Click OK button. Select create a copy checkbox to create a copy of the current sheet and before sheet options as move to end so that new sheet get created at the end. Press OK button. Now you should have your copied sheet as shown. You can rename the sheet by double clicking it. On double click, the sheet name becomes editable. Enter any name, say data, and press tab or enter key. Thank you.